the 90s, and today it's Star 1013. It's Marcus and Corey. $1,000 about 4 minutes away. It's Gas Cash. We've been doing it for a few weeks. Get ready for that keyword. It's on the way next. First, though, something fascinating out of Japan. There are companies that are developing sleeping pods. And Corey is horrified.
I'm horrified.
This would be your worst nightmare because...
I'm claustrophobic, and this looks like a coffin.
The fun part is you don't even get to lay down while you're napping.
And it's up on our Instagram page if you want to look at it, because like the idea of it sounded interesting, and then when I saw the picture I went, no.
I will say this, dude, I'm fascinated by Japanese culture because they're so exacting and they do a lot of research. My wife is half Japanese, and what I've learned over the years is only one right way to do things. And if you're not doing it that way, you are incorrect.
And their work days are really long, so I guess this whole idea is to combat nodding off at work.
I guess it's very culturally... Now, this is the part that bothers me. It's very culturally acceptable in Japan to sleep at work because it's a sign of, like, I'm working really hard. This is a stat I read, 1 out of 3 companies requires 80 hours unpaid overtime per month.
Oh my goodness.
That's 20 extra hours a week. That's 4 extra hours a day unpaid. And it's considered a badge of honor. And so napping during they were saying a lot of people like to lock themselves in the bathroom, which didn't seem healthy. So why not develop these pods?
Well, like sleeping on the commode?
I guess. I don't know.
I know like some fancy bathrooms sometimes have a couch in them.
Yes.
I doubt that.
I would love a nap room in this building. But then I'd never leave.
The building that I worked at here before, they had a private room. And basically it was a place where you could go, like a quiet room, and they had a couch where you could sleep.
I got caught napping in a lactation room. That was a weird moment.
You're not allowed to be in there.
No, I wasn't. And I snuck in there because I thought nobody ever uses this room. And then I forgot about the one lady who just had a child. And I felt so awful. I felt like the worst human being on planet Earth. She comes in with all her equipment, throws the lights on. There I am in the... And she's like, excuse me. I'm like, oh, God, there's not supposed to be anybody coming.
You don't lactate, get out.
It was a terrible move on my part. Terrible. Sorry.
I thought about that when I was at the airport, because the airport has lactation rooms as well, and I thought, everybody uses, though, that isn't actually lactating.
I know. I just saw a quiet room. Nobody ever comes. I decide to take a quick nap. Yeah.
I thought San Francisco had a rule where every business had to have a private, quiet room.
That I don't know.
Now, that was when I was here 12 years ago,
Yes.
so I don't know if that's the case anymore. But going back to this coffin that they're using for nappy time, look at it on our Instagram page and tell me what you think, because this horrifies me. Like, this is like an Iron Maiden to me.
Let me see which pic he threw up really quick. Sorry, I shouldn't be doing this in real time.
But and there's like, you seal yourself up.
Oh, there it is. You know, it looks like
Coffin.
a coffin or like some kind of newfangled pantry, or I'll say it, a gun locker. That's really...
This looks like something you would put a body in and shoot it out into space.
I'll bet you it works, though.
And there better not be like some sort of locking device where you could get trapped in there.
For locking from the outside, can you imagine? That's a way to haze a coworker. Anyway, go check that out on the Marcus and Corey Instagram. It is officially time to win some money. You need to...
Star 1013 has your shot at $1,000 in gas cash right now.
Just enter the nationwide keyword cash on our website. That's cash. Enter it right now at 1013.com.
Hey, it's Corey from the Morning Show. I have tried many different cleanses, and Squeezed is by far my favorite. The quality and flavor of the juices is outstanding, and you can't... Head to squeeze.com and you can get free same-day delivery. Just use the code word radio. One gal I talked to lost 3 pounds with a one-day cleanse, and cleanses go all the way up to 7 days. You have more energy, my skin is better, and that's just doing the 2-day cleanse. Don't forget to enter Corey on Star 1013. That's Corey. Check it out at squeezed.com.
There's magic.
Tell you there isn't.
They just want you to
Work, be quiet.
and not ask questions.
Those people need 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
When you've seen them
You can no longer deny the magic.
We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
And now we pause for a word from Charlotte, the junk fairy.
A friend is a person who always brings a little magic with them. Be a friend.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOTJUNK.com.
Driving happy with Febreze car.
You're driving home when, oh no, you hit the longest red light in town. What's this? You're smiling because your car smells amazing. You just installed a Febreze car vent clip. Ha ha! 5 weeks ago, with up to 40 days of consistent Febreze scent, those lights can stay red for as long as they like.
Febreze, la 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 la.
This is your time to cash in to Cache Creek Casino Resort. To rock and to roll over the hills and bluffs. Go all out or go all in with 4 stars and rising stars. Now we do more than ever, so you can do as much or as little. It's your time to cash in at Cache Creek Casino Resort.
Welcome to the Everyday Hotel. You'll be on the 2nd floor. Your other room will be on the 14th.
Wait, we asked for connecting rooms? These are 12 floors apart.
We tried, ma'am, but technically they're only 11 floors apart. We don't have a 13th floor.
We can't be 11 floors away from our kids.
I don't see a problem.